Looking for an honest breakdown of the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI supercomputer? Let's take a closer look at this powerful personal AI supercomputer that boasts extreme AI performance and is designed specifically for developers building secure, long-running agentic workflows. The ASUS Ascent GX10 is powered by the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip, delivering an impressive 1 petaflop of AI performance. This means you can tackle complex AI tasks with ease, whether it's fine-tuning models or running large-scale simulations. The system also comes equipped with 128 gigabytes of memory, providing ample storage for your data and applications. One of the standout features of the GX10 is its developer-optimized platform. It's designed to support popular frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw, which means you can build secure, long-running agentic workflows that are tailored to your specific needs. The system also supports private on-device inference, sandboxed execution, and governed data access, giving you complete control over how your AI models are developed and deployed. The GX10's scalable architecture is another major selling point. It features NVIDIA NVLink C2C for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication and NVIDIA ConnectX 7 networking to support dual GX10 system stacking. This means you can scale up or down as needed, depending on the complexity of your project. The result is superior scalability and performance that's unmatched by most other AI systems on the market. Despite its impressive specs, the GX10 is also designed with practicality in mind. Its advanced thermal design ensures sustained high performance and reliability, even when running demanding workloads for extended periods. This means you can focus on your work without worrying about overheating or system crashes. In terms of display quality, the GX10 doesn't have a screen at all. It's a desktop computer after all. But what it does offer is a comprehensive software stack that includes the NVIDIA AI platform and the GB10 Superchip. This provides a full-stack solution for AI development and deployment, making it easy to get started with your projects. So how does the GX10 perform in everyday use? The answer is very well indeed. With its powerful hardware and optimized software, you can tackle even the most complex AI tasks with ease. Whether you're working on a research project or building an internal AI platform for your organization, the GX10 is more than capable of handling the workload. The GX10 also comes with a range of connectivity options, including dual NVIDIA ConnectX 7 networking and support for multiple display configurations via USB-C. This means you can easily connect to your monitor or other devices and get up and running quickly. One potential limitation of the GX10 is its size. At 12 inches long and 4 inches wide, it's certainly not the most compact system on the market. However, this also means that you have plenty of room for additional components or peripherals if needed. In terms of main advantages and limitations, the GX10 really shines in terms of performance and scalability. Its ability to tackle complex AI tasks with ease makes it an ideal choice for developers and researchers working on large-scale projects. On the downside, its size may be a drawback for some users who prefer a more compact system. Overall, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI supercomputer is a powerful and versatile tool that's designed specifically for developers building secure, long-running agentic workflows. Its extreme AI performance, scalable architecture, and advanced thermal design make it an ideal choice for tackling complex AI tasks. While its size may be a limitation for some users, the GX10 is certainly worth considering if you're working on large-scale AI projects. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description. As always, thanks for watching.